Today we'll show you how to do a quick and easy contour for a natural sun-kissed look any time of the year. The Contour Palette by Elizabeth Mott makes sculpting a breeze with 6 super blendable shades, 3 for contouring and 3 for highlighting. Let's get started. Using a fluffy brush, sweep the darker shades under your cheekbones, into your hairline, and under your jaw. Use the lighter shades in the palette to highlight your features. Hit the high points of your face, the top of your cheekbones, the center of your forehead, your chin, and the bridge of your nose. And you know the drill, blend, blend, blend! For a little extra color and warmth, top it all off with your favorite Show Me Your Cheeks blush. Talk about a wow factor! Finish your masterpiece with a little Set for Life setting powder to keep your look locked in place all day long. And there it is! A natural, vibrant look that will have friends asking what tropical island you visited last weekend. But shh, it's our little secret. Get the Contour Palette now at elizabethmott.com. Now get contouring!